Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in debugging, catch off by one error when using indexing. Off by one errors, sometimes called OBOE, crop up when you are trying to target a specific index of a string or array to slice or access a segment, or when looping over the indices of them. JavaScript indexing starts at 0, not 1, which means the last index is always 1 less than the length of the item. If you try to access index equal to the length, the program may throw an index out of range reference error or print undefined. When you use a string or array methods that takes index or ranges as arguments, it helps to read the documentation and understand if they are inclusive. The item at the given index is part of what is returned or not. Here are some examples of off by one errors. Here is an alphabet, and when we try to find length by using alphabet dot length, then loops one too many times at the end. Loops one too few times and misses the first character at index, because we are starting here from j equal to 1, and in this case we have I equal to 0. So but here we are running this code till I is equal to length, which will give error in this case, and we are starting from 1, so it will give error here. And for just right, keep start from k equal to 0 and k int at when k is less than the length. Task for this challenge: fix the two indexing errors in the following function so that all numbers 1 through 5 are printed to the console. So we have 1 2 3 4 5, and we have to change only below this code. So we should start with I equal to 0, and we should remove equal to just when I is less than length. If we keep equal to, then we get error undefined, and here we can see that. And if we start with 1 here, then we are missing one value. So both case should not happen. So I equal to 0 and I is less than length, and run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.